Hi, so I will explain how deep learning works. Deep learning models are sometimes referred to as deep neural network because most deep learning approaches use neural network design. The human brain is made up of neurons, hence neural network contain layers of nodes. Individual layer nodes are linked to nodes in neighboring layer. The number of hidden layers in a neural network is commonly referred to as deep. Deep neural network can have up to 115 hidden layers, whereas traditional neural networks only have 2 until 3. In the human brain, a single neuron gets hundreds of impulses from other neurons. There is two types of primary neural network, which is the artificial neural network and the convolutional neural network. In an artificial neural network, signals travel between nodes and assign corresponding weight. A node with a higher weight will have a greater impact on the nodes below it. The weak input are compiled in the last layer to produce an input. Deep learning system require a significant quantity of data in order to produce reliable results. Hence, data is fed as in numerous data sets. Artificial neural network may classify data using the answer to a series of binary yes or false questions using highly complicated mathematical calculation while processing the data. While the convolutional neural network are one of the most popular types of deep learning network. The CNN uses 2D convolutional layers to combine learned feature with input data, making it well suited to processing 2D data like photo. CNN eliminates the need of manual feature extraction. The CNN operates by the extracting feature from photo directly. The relevant features are not retained, instead they are learned as the network trains on a set of images. This automated feature extraction makes deep learning model highly accurate for computer vision tasks such as object classification. Using tens of hundreds of hidden layers, CNN learns to detect different aspects of a picture. The complexity of the learned picture feature grows with each query layer. The first hidden layer, for example, could learn to detect edges, while the final learns to detect more complicated forms relevant to the geometry of the object they are trying to recognize.
Hello, I'm going to explain the differences between machine learning and deep learning. First, human intervention. For machine learning, it requires more ongoing human intervention to get results. To identify and hand-code the applied features based on the data type, for example, pixel value, shapes, and orientation. As for the deep learning, the program trains itself without human intervention, and that training happens through the use of neural works, similar to the way human brain works without the need for a human to record the program. Second is hardware. Machine learning programs tend to be less complex, so that it can run on lower-end machines without as much as computing power. Deep learning systems require far more powerful hardware and resources. One type of hardware used for deep learning is graphical processing unit. GPUs are useful for their high bandwidth memory and ability to hide latency in memory transfer due to thread parallelism. Third type. Machine learning can take as little time as a few seconds to a few hours. Machine learning systems can be set up and operate quickly but may be limited in the power of their results. Due to the huge data set a deep learning system requires, and because there are so many parameters and complicated mathematical formulas involved, a deep learning system takes more time to set up but can generate results instantaneously. Next, approach. Algorithms used in machine learning tend to parse data in parts, then those parts are combined to come up with a result or solution. It tends to require structured data and uses traditional algorithms like linear regression. With the deep learning program, you would input the image, and with training, the program would return both the identified object and their location in the image in one result. Deep learning systems look at the entire problem or scenario in one fell swoop. As application. Machine learning already in use in email inbox, bank, and doctor office. Machine learning applications include predictive programs such as forecasting prices in the stock market or when the next hurricane will hit. It publishes applications of deep learning is self-driving car that use many layers of neural networks to do things like determine objects to avoid and know when to speed up or slow down.
Created using Powtoon.